So disguised, I just can't live a lie anymore. I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to say. Bye, goodbye.
Naman? Ay, niya mo na yung ano, membras mo na sa ibuga mo. Love you.
Aragay. You would never ask me why. My heart is so disguised. I just can't live a lie anymore.
Wala man sa milyon,
I
lang
would rather hurt myself to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to try. So it's gonna hurt us both. There's no other way than to say goodbye. Yeah.
Panghitog na ka ba? Dapat tulog?
Pangingin ako yan.
Nalangga na? Wala ka man milyon, pero pala galagga ka. Kaya ka rin ulo, hindi mo ko yung lala. Kiss ka, babe. Birthday ko lagi ka kiss, ah.
I came to you, I never asked too much. Wondering what you would say. Hoping you understanding it's not a role I usually play. Didn't speak too much of what's been going on. The past is over and gone. Give me a troubled mind, you know it's true. I can do so much for you. I want you, having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels so right. Feels so right.
Yeah.
Ako
Ako ang bilo yan.
Hindi.
Na. Sunod rin na yung bakit ka, oh. May list ng ega yan. Love you. Sumi ako, kontra ko lang.
Okay.
Nakontra ko, dapat mag-iwan.
Wala
ko alam.
Ayan namin kayo.
Hmm?
Pablaga.
Ay, hindi ka masanambang ka. Magalang ka sa kabila.
Okay.
Tagtong kabila lang mo ba?
Okay.
Ano naman? Siking mo na. Suliin mo na, Gaw.
Tatlo na siya.
Broken heart ka ba? Ha?
Can't believe what I just heard. Could it be true? Girl, thought I knew.
Ikaw bala sa chorus ka.
The one who promised me her love Does anybody ever know? How do you hear?